Alright guys, so today it's a little chilly out there, but this blue truck's been acting up here and there, hasn't been happy, hasn't been running. I traced all the wiring and stuff, but still just clicks. I know the battery's charged and all that, so I ended up ordering a starter. It actually just showed up today, so I'm going to get to working on that right away. Alright, so the box showed up from Amazon, brand new starter. It's a little chilly out there. You see what this minus 32, minus 48 with the wind, so that's pretty brutal. But 6 degrees in the garage, so that's a nice little win. So I'm gonna have to drag some stuff outside, put the thing up on stands, and start wrenching on it. You know, it's one of those jobs that's really not that difficult if it was summer, but 40 some odd below is pretty brutal. So I disconnected both batteries, dragged out the couple of stands and the floor jack, so jack this thing up so I can get under it, and then pretty simple, let's unbolt the starter and start pulling it out. Alright, figured I'd show you guys this. So it's pretty simple starter, 2 bolts hold it up. One of these can be for power, then trigger wire. That's about it. So I'll get under the truck and peel off the old one real quick. Alright, I know it's going to show up being under the car there, but those are the 2 bolts. Pull it out, power wire, and this little one up in there is the trigger wire. So take those off, 2 bolts out, this thing will be out. Alright, old one's out, new one's there, so they look the same, everything's good. I actually ended up breaking this one where the main power went to. That's a hole there, broken, and the little trigger wire gets snapped off as well. So I left the other bolts under the truck. My hands warm up a little bit. This thing's so cold it just freezes your hands to touch. So I'm going to warm up a few minutes and then slap this one in, show you how it turns out. Alright guys, there it is, bolted up. New parts is always good, so crawl under this thing, or crawl out from under this thing, and see if she fires up. Alright, let's put on the negative terminals. Let's see what happens here. Well, that's a good sign. Ooh, she's cold. Well, one problem fixed. On to the next one. Hopefully I'll just be able to, I think this thing has a block heater cord on it. Plug it in, see if I can get her going. Alright, it never actually occurred to me, I don't know if anybody knows, or everybody knows. It's so cold you actually have to plug vehicles in, so kind of heats them up so they'll start and all that. So all this is a plug, goes in a little heater into where one of the frost plugs is on the motor. I don't know if this video's going to turn out. It looks kind of choppy. I guess it's so cold the GoPro's not even happy. So I'll go warm this up, let this thing be plugged in for a little while, and get it running. Alright guys, it's been about an hour. So we'll just go see. This thing's going to want to fire up. Fingers crossed. The sun's starting to go down, so I'd like to get this thing off jack stands. And alright, here we go. Look at that. Perfect. Well, leave it at that. Definitely it was cold and it's rough doing it, but that small starter wasn't too bad, and now it's back idling and I can put the plow back on. Alright guys, thanks.